Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are using Squarespace and want to change the look and feel of your entire website in 2026, fonts, colors, buttons, spaces, animations, site styles is where everything happens. So site styles control your global design. Okay, so one change equals applied across all pages. In this guide I will show you how to customize site styles in Squarespace in 2026 step by step, cleanly, safely, and like a pro. So first thing first, log into Squarespace, open your website. Okay, go to styles. So the site styles editor opens on the light. Okay, changes preview live. So this is your global design control center. So choose a style preset, so optional but powerful, at the top of styles. Okay, select a preset look. Okay, anything. Okay, click apply. Fonts, colors, buttons change instantly. So content stays the same, presets are starting points, not locks. So customize fonts and typography. In styles, open fonts, you can set headings, paragraph text, buttons, navigation text. Adjust font family, size, weight, line height. Stick to 2 to 3 fonts max for a professional look. Okay, open colors, you will see color palettes, light and dark themes, accents, colors. You can edit palettes, colors, switch page sections between themes. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.